Again, with the one garlic clove.
I know.
It's very strange.
It is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you like ranch dressing? I like ranch dressing. She likes ranch dressing. We all love ranch dressing. Keep watching because we are going to be making a smoky chipotle ranch dressing for you today. Hey everybody, I'm John.
And I'm Katie, and welcome to Pizza with Plants.
What are we making?
So we are making spicy ranch dressing today with chipotle peppers. So yes, an interesting variant on the ranch dressing we made for you before, and one that we're going to put on a taco pizza coming up, which is going to be super yummy.
I'm super excited.
Yes,
about that.
I think it's more toppings than it is pizza.
But that's okay.
That's all right.
That's okay.
Anyway,
every once in a while.
Yeah.
So this is our, it's basically our base kind of vegan ranch dressing that we've made for you guys. Everything, literally, this is super easy to make. Everything is exactly this.
I got this. Keep talking.
Oh,
talking.
Goodness gracious. We're both fired. We forgot the fresh herbs.
Yeah, fresh herbs.
So there are our fresh herbs.
Dill and chives. I was like, something's missing.
Yes, we needed some green. So again, literally our same recipe. The only additions that we're adding is we're adding this liquid smoke. If you don't have this,
small doses.
Yes.
Like
little bit. Yeah, little bit goes a long way.
It's not like garlic where they say 1 clove and you really mean 20. Liquid smoke, a quarter teaspoon means 1/8 of a teaspoon.
Yeah,
like
no, strong. But it really has an incredible impact. So the liquid smoke is the addition, and we're doing 2 chipotle peppers to add a little bit of a heat, and obviously chipotle peppers offer a little bit of smokiness as well. I think this is going to be awesome, and I can't wait to make the taco pizza and drizzle this on it.
Does this also have water in it? This is the apple cider. We're not showing the water, but there is water.
Yes, there is water because we're using it's a cashew cream base.
I don't want people to make it just by like this image alone.
No,
then they're like, we're missing something.
You're overthinking it. These people are incredibly smart because they're watching us.
Well, that's true.
So that makes them
or they're just looking for
intelligent.
Goofy entertainment.
Well, they're going to get that too. So,
good recipes and some yucks.
Yes. So let's make some ranch.
Okay.
Smoky chipotle ranch.
Here we go.
All right.
To get started with our chipotle ranch, we're going to start with our soaked cashews and then our liquid mixture of water, vinegar, and liquid smoke. Again, not too much liquid smoke because a little goes a long way. Then we're going to add our chipotle peppers, all our dried seasonings, and garlic. And last to go in the blender is our vegan sour cream. From here, we're going to blend it until it's nice and smooth. Now that the base recipe is nice and velvety smooth, we're going to pour it into a bowl so we can gently fold in our fresh chive and dill. And now your ranch is ready for dipping crisp vegetables or a spoon if you're John.
We have ranch dressing. I like ranch dressing.
Chipotle
ranch. So turned out super, I think it looks great.
It almost looks like Thousand Island.
Yeah, a little.
I'm guessing it's not going to taste anything like Thousand Island though.
And bear in mind as you're using this, and I'm going to start dipping as we're speaking, because it's cashew based, when you have it in the fridge, it is going to thicken up a little bit.
A lot.
It's going to thicken up, but as you bring it to room temp, it thins out and smooths out like a dressing or a sauce.
The dill is very forward, and then you get the chipotle
on the back end.
Yeah. It's like a 2-for-1 ranch dip.
Yeah. Can we double dip?
No.
We're in our house.
Oh my God.
Okay, here.
Turn it
around. No bite. There we go. Sanitary double dip. That's what we're going to call that.
Okay.
That is super tasty. We put this on a taco-inspired pizza. We'll kind of link everything up. There'll be a link for the taco pizza at the bottom of this, and then we'll link this to the taco pizza. But super yummy and just another fun interpretation of ranch. I realize I said super
6 times.
Wow, that's a big day. I do have other.
That good.
I do have other words. So
really?
Yes.
We're going to start testing them out.
We'll see. Hope you've enjoyed watching, everybody. Thank you.
Be kind.
Eat pizza.
With plants.
And ranch.